Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by aligning the dataset to the model's expectations. Check column names, types, and missingness immediately. Once done, standardize formats and cast types so the model won't error on load. Make sure to install the same framework version and any required weights. Incompatible runtimes break pipelines. Next, set your target variable and pick an evaluation metric, because without a baseline, you cannot judge improvement. Finally, sample 1/10 of the data to run a quick smoke test before full training. You now map preprocessing to the new data using the original transformers. This preserves feature semantics. Use pipeline objects or saved encoders so you avoid train versus test leakage, which subtly inflates results. Once features are transformed, run cross-validation or hold-out evaluation to get reliable estimates and log metrics for comparison. Inspect calibration, residuals, and feature importances to understand divergences. If distributions shift, consider reweighting or feature drift detection. Make targeted adjustments. You finalize by packaging the model, its transformers, and metadata with versions, then deploy to staging for end-to-end checks. Once live, enable monitoring for latency, input distribution shifts, concept drift, and the business metric you care about. Alerts should be actionable. If performance degrades, first verify the incoming schema and preprocessing steps. Mismatched types or missing columns are the usual culprits. If needed, roll back to the last known good version while you diagnose, and patch transformers or retrain with representative data.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.